Easy out. Young money. Cash money. This is the Drop 3. Ladies and gentlemen. You know me. Listen. You know I ride for my motherfucking niggas. Most likely I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. They tell me don't get high, not to try to make a living. I tell them I'm a hustler, I rap, I make a killing. My eyes get so wide as it rides in the skillet. I let my bitch bag it if she's stealing, I'm a killer. I bulletproof the ride, now I feel like I'm a dealers. And fuck your hospital, young money, we the illest. And I ain't gotta lie when I tell you I'm the illest. My flow is nasty, like CY Phyllis. Self-made G and them bitches know the business. Relying on rap, but in the kitchen I'm a chemist. And when I was 5, my favorite movie was The Gremlins. Ain't got shit to do with this, but I just thought that I should mention. You looking for divine and a little intervention. And them birds don't fly without my permission. I'm probably in the sky, flying with the fishes. Or maybe in the ocean, swimming with the pigeons. See, my world is different, like the Wayne. And if you want trouble, bitch, I want the same thing. And you know that I'ma ride with my motherfucking niggas. Most likely I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. Don't worry about mine, I'ma grind till I get it. And tell all of my niggas that the sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. And tell all of my niggas that the sky is the limit. Cause the sky is the limit. The sky's the limit. If you look high, you see that I'm gonna be in it. The sky's the limit. Buck 10 in the coupe and your bitch love it. Switching lanes faster than she switch subjects. Tell a bitch don't talk to me. If you talking to the niggas, don't talk for free. And I hate when the niggas say talk is cheap. Cause I'm the type to let money talk for me. My flow is art unique. My flow can part a sea. The only thing on the mind of a shark is eat. By any means, and you just sardines. I got the 40 cal truck in my PRPs. What do you expect? I'm from New Orleans. The majority of my city is riders. They trying to make a brand new map without us. But the tourists come down and spend $2 million. And no matter how you change it, it'll still be ours. I'ma ride with my motherfucking niggas. Most likely I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. Don't worry about mine, I'ma grind till I get it. And tell all of my niggas that the sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. And I'ma tell all of my niggas that the sky is the limit. Because the sky is the limit. Yeah, the sky is the limit. And if you look up high, you see that I'm gonna be in it. Cause the sky is the limit. And you don't wanna fuck with a soldier. Use your head up, I take it off your shoulder. Burn up in your house and shoot everyone that's sitting on the living room sofa. That's fucked. And you don't wanna fuck with a soldier. Use your head up, I take it off your shoulder. Mail it to your moms with a dozen of roses. Now that's fucked up. And I'm a G, and you ain't gotta know the alphabet to see. I know my whole city is depending on me, and I forget a lot of shit, but I cannot forget the streets. So you know that I'ma ride with my motherfucking niggas. Most likely I'ma die with my finger on the trigger. Don't worry about mine, I'ma grind till I get it. And tell all of my niggas that the sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. Don't worry about mine, I'ma grind till I get it. Niggas that the sky is the limit. Because the sky is the limit. Yeah, the sky is the limit. And if you look high, you'll see that I'm gonna be in it. Cause the sky is the limit. They tell me don't get high, not you try to make a living. I tell them I'm a hustler and I'd rather make a killing. Cause the sky is the limit. Hands up in the air because the sky is the limit. Can you see me up there? The sky is the limit.